Alright, so how can you solve this particular trigonometric equation? So to start with, we have 2 sine theta is equal to cos 30 minus theta. So we first have to break down the 30 minus theta. This is sum and difference identities, which go like this. If I have cos alpha minus beta, the identity for this is cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. So what I have is cos 30 minus theta. So this will be cos 30 cos theta plus sine 30 sine theta, like that. So let me rewrite the whole thing. So I have 2 sine theta. This is equals to, applying that identity gives us cos 30 cos theta plus sine 30 sine theta, like that. So 30 is a special angle, so I can find cos 30 and sine 30. This is 2 sine theta. Cos 30 is √3 over 2 cos theta. Sine 30 is half. Then I can get rid of the fractions by multiplying the entire equation by 2. So if I multiply the entire equation by 2, I'll have something like 4 sine. This is equal to, so these 2 cancels, leaving us with √3 cos. Same thing here, these 2 cancels, leaving us with sine only. So we have this. Now let me push everything to one side. So this is a 4 sine theta minus sine theta minus, or rather, let's say this is equals to √3 cos theta, like that. Okay, let's remove this. Now, left hand side, this is 3 sine theta is equals to √3 cos theta. To solve this, it's much easier if you just divide both sides by cos, so that you form a tan. So I'll say over cos on both sides, over cos. Cos here cancels, so this will give us 3 tan theta is equals to √3. So this is where we are now. Let's clear up everything. So this means that tan theta is equals to √3 over 3. Now clearly you can see here that tan here is positive. So since tan is positive, we know that it is found in the first quadrant as well as in the third quadrant. So what we're going to do here is we're going to first find the reference angle phi. I will say tan phi is equals to √3 over 3. So phi is equals to arctan of √3 over 3. So what we get as phi? So the tan inverse of √3 over 3, this gives us 30 degrees. Okay, so that's the reference angle. Now in the first quadrant, phi is equals to theta. So theta in the first quadrant is 30. In the second quadrant, or rather in the third quadrant, theta is equals to 180 plus the reference angle phi. So theta is equals to 180 plus 30, that gives us 210. So the solution set for theta is simply 30 degrees and 210 in the first quadrant as well as in the third quadrant.